Hey guys, we received this wallet for man with inbuilt tracker for test and try. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So this has a RFID blocking classic leather bifold stylish men's wallet. It's have a inbuilt Find My tracker and also have like credit cards and everything. This can be charged by a MagSafe charger. So let me just open and show you the stuff. So as you can see, it's a very nice wallet here, slim, and then you can just put in your currency. In the back, there is the tracker here, and there is a button for that. And then you can just put in the currency or like the paper currency, and then the credit cards here. So the quality wise is really good, and this is also RFID blocking, and also use these credit cards. So the clear window and then credit cards things, bifold stuff. And this have this for this Find My tracker, so you can just on off the button, and then also it's have this MagSafe charging that I will show you a little later on. So this will work with the Apple iPhones. So I have to hide a bit due to the security and the permission from Amazon and stuff, but you can just add it as like a normal air tag, and then just use my Find My app and choose the icon and add this device. So once it's all added, you can start using it and then keep tracking, and then you can put it on this Mac charger, and it will just charge the tracker. So you will see the light here, the red light, so it starts charging on its own, and then you can just put it in the night for charging it. So it's a really nice wallet with all the Windows credit card tracker, RFID stuff, things. So it's a very nice wallet.